Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I'm Gabby Antonacci with the Illinois State Museum, and we're here at the Research and Collection Center to talk about butterflies. Did you know that there are a lot of different butterflies in the world, and they come in tons of colors? Have you ever seen a different color on a butterfly that you might not have seen on another butterfly? We're here with Dr. Meredith Mahoney, who studies animals here at the museum, and she's going to show us some of the amazing butterflies that we have in our collection. Hi, Meredith.
Hi, Gabby. Thank you. So hi, everyone. My name is Meredith, and I'm here to talk about some of the butterflies we have in our research collection here. Museum scientists have been studying Illinois species of butterflies for many years. They travel around the state, they go to different places and different kinds of habitats, and they look at the different kinds of butterfly species that live in the different places. Then they collect them and bring them back to the museum, and we have them in our collections for people to come and do more research and learn about them. So I brought some examples today of butterflies that you might find in your yard or in a park. The black swallowtail butterfly are big and very dark butterflies, but they also have nice yellow spots all around the edges of their wings, and they have little tails on their back wings. That is where they get their name swallowtail. The painted lady butterfly has a really pretty patchwork color with yellow, oranges, blacks, whites, all kind of mixed together. The monarch butterfly are black and orange, and they have these black lines on the veins on their wings that makes them have kind of a tiger stripe pattern. Skippers, like the yellow patch skipper, are little small butterflies, and they have little brown and yellow coloration. You'll find them lots of times in the grass, flitting around there. The great spangled fritillary has a brown and golden colored wings. And then there also are moths that people sometimes mistake for butterflies because the moths are flying during the daytime and feeding from flowers the way that butterflies do. So here are two examples. One is the snowberry clearwing moth, and these moths actually look a lot like a bumblebee. They have a yellow fuzzy body with a black stripe, and so when people see them, they think that they're seeing a bumblebee feeding on their flowers. Another example is the white-lined sphinx moth, and they have a long white stripe on their front wings and then pink stripes on their back wings. How can we tell butterflies and moths apart? One big difference is most moths fly at nighttime and are active at the night, but like we said, there are some that do fly in the daytime. Another way to tell them apart is by the body shape. Moths have kind of thick bodies, and butterflies have thin bodies. Another way is that moths' antennae are either long and thin or feathery, but butterflies have the ends of their antennae are kind of expanded in like a little ball. Another big difference is when they're resting, butterflies will fold their wings up behind their back when they're sitting on a tree or something, and moths, when they rest, they fold their wings down flat over their bodies. The big thing about moths and butterflies that makes them important is that they play a role in pollination. So when they move from one flower to another, pollen sticks on them and they carry it, and that starts the first step of pollination, which is eventually the flower will turn into a fruit or a seed or a nut and is food for people and for animals.
Thank you very much, Meredith, for sharing with us about butterflies. I hope you all learned a lot about butterflies and moths that live with us in our backyards, and thank you for joining us.